Hello there, everyone, and welcome to another news video from Nordic Anglers. Today, I want to show you a bit of different stuff that I want to highlight in this Christmas time of year. We of course have the Christmas calendar at Nordic Anglers, and I hope you follow that one. We're gonna put up a video every single day with some featuring some different cool items that perhaps we think would be something you're missing in your life or in your fishing. But there is also a lot of different stuff that I forgot to mention in that video. So here is just going to be a short video about some of these and some new stuff. First of all, I want to show you this. This is the Sims sling bag, and what this basically is a bag you can have like this, and then it has an adjustment strap here. So you simply click it on there, and then it's completely secure. It really rests very steadily on your back, and it gives you the movement, the freedom of movement to make your castings, to make your casts and stuff like that. Basically, how this function and works is you click this off, and then you can slide it all the way up to the front. So this is ideal for wading and fishing coastline, and whenever you do wading, then a sling pack like this is really ideal. What you have here is you have a basic big room for your food stuff, your water and so on. There is a divider in here as well. Then you have another compartment, just a small pocket here where you can stow away some leaders or whatever you want. But then the really cool thing is this front pocket here, which is made from some very sturdy. It's not tank proof, but it's quite sturdy, and it makes sure that the bag all the time have this shape. And this is a really key function, because inside here you of course have a small pocket, but then you also have a detachable foam thing for stowing your fly patch, for stowing your flies. So whenever you are on the water, you can always just very easily attach the flies that you need for that day. Then basically just put it here, and you will have it easily within range as soon as you need it. And when you're done, you can basically just pull this out and place it in the windowsill or whatever on your fly tank disc, and you'll know the flies have dried from trip to trip, so they won't rust. Really an awesome piece of equipment here, and I think that these sling packs are some of the easiest and best way to actually get full access to your gear without limiting your movements whilst casting and fishing. So the Sims Freestone not hip bag. I'm going to show you that one in a second. Sling bag, cool item. It has a lot of functionality. Great in strong, durable materials, and just overall an awesome product. And I also like the fact that the Sims for once decided to make it in black, because, well, basically, black is is the best color for a lot of things. So the Sims Freestone sling pack, really awesome product. Along the same lines are the Sims hip bag, which maybe is a bit more oriented for the angler who only fish in rivers and do not wade as deep. What this basically, how you mount this is, you of course have a really strong, really durable and really good and broad hip belt here. So this will also add a lot of support to your hip and will make a long day of walking on the riverbank a lot easier. So it really gives a lot of comfort. It gives a lot of support, and then you have all the other key functions. One of the things that makes Sims unique is it has this strap, so you can carry it just like this as a shoulder bag. But it also makes sure that when you have the bag, you have the hip bag here on you, then it won't slide down further down than the strap allows. So it's basically a fail-safe, so you won't have the hip bag sliding down beneath your, well, basically your bottom. The other functions is it has kind of the same strong, sturdy front here, and inside here you have the same function as before. You have the Velcro patch to keep all your flies, and then inside here you have a dividing room, which can be clicked open or not, and then you have a small compartments and stuff in behind that. On both of the belts here, you have the option to stow away all your nippers and your pliers and stuff. And on the other side, you have one other pocket, which is ideal for, let's say, something you use very frequently, perhaps your leaders or something along those lines. So again, the Freestone collection here. This is the Freestone hip bag. Awesome product, great quality, strong and durable. As always, an outstanding product, very thought through and well designed product from Sims. So those would make two really ideal Christmas presents. I would like one of them for my Christmas at least. The other thing is this fall we have been really trying to gear up on having a lot of different cool designed caps. So at Nordic Anglers we have a really wide selection of caps from Sims, from Scott, from Nautilus, from Loomis and stuff. So and also we have these the new design of the Frodin Fight for Wild Salmon cap, which also is available in this color and in a black color as well. So the Sims one are really awesome. The Fight for Wild Salmon, the Loomis for the Loomis enthusiasts out there. I have one of these myself. It's pretty badass. I think it's pretty rad. And of course more Sims. So if you're in need of a new fishing cap, and well, caps is one of those things that you probably not very often get enough of. So swing by to get one of those. And then another thing I want to break to you is that we have decided to take up the great tube fly system from Futurefly. Futurefly is one of the three leading tube fly systems. The two others are Pro Sportsfisher and Frodin. And now we have all three in at Nordic Anglers. So we have all the different types of tube fly systems, at least the major ones available now. And Futurefly is just a really nice addition to our selection. It has some unique features. Like Pro Sportsfisher has some unique features and Frodin has some unique features. Now you can get all three at Nordic Anglers, so now there's no excuse. You can get every single possible item you need for tying tube flies at Nordic Anglers. The Futurefly system is based around the a tube of the diameter of 1.8 millimeters, so it's quite nice. You can fit all the Pro on the Futurefly as well. And they have a lot of tungsten, really cool tungsten beads and discs, and some nice cone heads and the like. So Futurefly is a brand that we are really pleased to have back in stock, to have back at Nordic Anglers. You can tie some awesome looking tube flies with a lot of the really cool colors that Futurefly offers. So it's good to have Futurefly back in the shop. We've been missing that. So the last thing I want to say is throughout December we have this really major competition where every order placed from the 29th of November until the 31st of December, that is above 70 euros, enter into this competition to win the complete and full two-handed salmon fishing setup that I use. So we draw a lucky winner between all orders, both made in the Danish and the English shop, that is above 70 euros or the equivalent in Danish kroner, which is 500 kroner, to win an NRX 13.3 class 7 fly rod, new of course, then an Einarsson reel, and this is going to be mounted with the backing, the shooting line, a shooting head, and a tippet. And a tip, and then of course a leader as well. All of this is going to be shipped to the lucky winner that we draw when on the 3rd of January. And besides this, then included in this drawing is also a free day of guided fishing in a Danish salmon river. With me. So if you're the lucky winner and you have the opportunity to get to Denmark and to go salmon fishing, of course we'll do that. If you're located someplace where that that option is not, ideal, and you don't have the money to travel. If you're from, let's say, the States, it's probably not something you want to go here just to do. Or if you're from South Africa, or from, Chile, or Singapore, or whatever, then of course, we do not pay for your trip to Denmark, but or your trip to the fishing, to the water. But if you can get to the water, I will be happy to take you fishing for a full day. I will supply the license. I will supply a good lunch, and some beverages and stuff like that. So that's included in the price as well. If for some reason you can't, get to Denmark to join up for this salmon trip, then you will just receive the gear if you're the lucky winner. So, I think that about sums it up. That was what I wanted to say regarding a few other things that is not mentioned in the Christmas calendar, and the news about Futurefly. Otherwise, as always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can find all of the gear here, and enter into the competition by placing an order at Nordic Anglers for more than 70 euros. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thank you so much for watching. Take care and good luck out on the water.